I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
So Deron got himself some new wheels for his new whip. We're at the shop right now, C&M Tires, Roy. So Deron's got some stuff to figure out with this airbag setup because it is just monster trucking over here. And I'm sure that's not what he's trying to do, but over here it looks relatively normal-ish, you know. Let's watch him break the stud.
Whatever.
Do you ever break studs? You've done breaking studs before.
I haven't, you have.
I have too, but you break them more.
I haven't.
Pretty sure you have.
Oh.
Pretty sure you have.
Pretty sure I haven't.
Pretty sure you have. At some point.
Nope.
Hold on. That shit looks hella good tucked. You get these fenders rolled in the back and get these fenders fixed up in the front, dude, that shit'll be dope. That shit looks perfect. I don't know what to talk to you about like when it's riding, because that shit is ridiculous.
No, it'll be up when it's right. I will.
Those tires look perfect for this car, man. What do you think? I think they look perfect. Perfect.